1. What is the normal duration of a full-term pregnancy? 37 to 42 weeks. 2. Which fetal presentation is considered ideal for vaginal delivery? Cephalic. 3. What is the main risk factor for placental abruption? High blood pressure. 4. What is the primary cause of postpartum endometritis? Infection from vaginal flora. 5. Which method is used to confirm rupture of membranes? Nitrazine test. 6. What does the term station refer to during labor? Fetal head position relative to the ischial spines. 7. What is the leading cause of maternal death globally? Postpartum hemorrhage. 8. What is the purpose of a non-stress test? Assess fetal heart rate response to movement. 9. Which sign indicates true labor? Progressive cervical dilation. 10. Which condition is characterized by the implantation of the placenta over the cervix? Placenta previa. 11. What is the normal range of amniotic fluid index? 5 to 25 centimeters. 12. What is the recommended treatment for iron deficiency anemia in pregnancy? Oral iron supplements. 13. What is the primary symptom of gestational diabetes? High fasting blood glucose levels. 14. Which test is used to assess fetal lung maturity? Amniocentesis. 15. What is the most effective way to prevent neonatal tetanus? Maternal vaccination during pregnancy. 16. What is the significance of meconium-stained amniotic fluid? Indication of fetal distress. 17. What is the recommended method to monitor fetal well-being during labor? Continuous electronic fetal monitoring. 18. Which stage of labor involves the delivery of the placenta? Third stage. 19. What is a common complication of prolonged labor? All of the above. 20. Which vitamin is essential for preventing postpartum hemorrhage? Vitamin K. 21. What is the primary indicator for a cesarean section? All of the above. 22. What is the normal weight of the placenta? 400 to 600 grams. 23. What is the primary cause of neonatal jaundice? Immature liver function. 24. What is the main purpose of a fetal scalp electrode? Monitor fetal heart rate. 25. What is the first priority in neonatal resuscitation? Establish effective ventilation. 26. What is the common sign of eclampsia? Seizure. 27. What is the key function of vernix gaseosa in newborns? Acts as a natural moisturizer. 28. What is a major complication of polyhydramnios? All of the above. 29. What is the most reliable indicator of fetal well-being? Fetal heart rate. 30. What is the maximum duration of the latent phase of labor in a primigravida? 20 hours.